This is the help video. This is the help video for Word Chapter 3, the Guided Project 3-1. This movie will cover steps 1 through 6. I'm in SimNet, and I'm going to select the project that I'm working on, Guided Project 3-1. I'm going to look over here at the left. I'm going to download my start file. I'm going to download the solution so I can look at it. I'm going to verify that I am using the Windows because I'm on a Windows machine right now. I'm going to start on the instructions. It says open the online learning start file. So that's the one that begins with your name. Once that opens, I'm going to organize my screen so I can see the instructions and the file. So I have it opened. Now I must enable it. Step 1 is done. The file will be renamed automatically. That's cool. We know we're not going to change that. Change the user's name and initials. Open the tracking launching. So that's under review, tracking. We're going to open the dialog box. Change username and verify that it is yours. Now if you set that and you're on your home machine and you set that for your pause and practice, it should be there. If you're using a lab or a shared PC, then it may not, and you may have to reset it there. I'm all good, so I'm going to do this, 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 this. So this step 3 should hold on and be set from when you did your pause and practice if you are on your own machine. All right. Display the review pane and reject changes. That's what step 4 is about. So the first thing I need to do is make sure I'm in the review tab, tracking group. I want to make sure that all markup is selected, which it is, and I can see all of the details and the comments. So we have that done. Click find where in the review. So we want to, oh, I skipped this step, sorry. Review pane, and we want to do vertical. So over here on the left is a list of all of the changes. So there was 14 revisions. So now we want to find where deleted. So in deleted television. Okay, right here. Right, so I'm going to click on that and right click on it, and we're going to reject it because I don't want to delete that. We're going to reject it. So that proposed change does not take effect. We're all done with this, so we're going to click an X, and we're done with step 4. So we want to go to the top of the document now, and so we're placing it. And on the review tab, in the changes, we want to click where it says next. Let's make sure I did that. Next. Let me go back one. Next. Okay. So if you look right here, the change is the formatted left 1 inch, and that's what verifies in the instructions. So I did that. Click the top half of the accept, and that 1 inch margin change was accepted, and it moved to the next change. We're going to click the top half of the accept, which is the delete. We're going to click the bottom half of the accept and say accept all changes. So all of the changes have been applied. The only thing left are our comments, right? So now we want to deal with our comments. So instead of dealing with this group here that says changes, we're going to move over to this group that says comments. And sometimes it's confusing because previous, next, delete, those buttons repeat here, but you always want to just make sure which section you're dealing with. Am I dealing with changes to the document or comments to the document? Okay, so we're going to go back to the beginning of the document. Oops, I was in the wrong screen. Beginning of the document. And we're going to click Next in the comments. It lists the first comment here. We're going to reply, and we're going to say done, exclamation point. Click the resolve button on the comment in the markup area, and so we put our comment, a reply, and now we're going to say that this is resolved. So I'm going to do, it's a little box with the check mark there, and I'm going to click on it, and you know it's resolved because it grays it out, so that's good. So now we're going to do the next comment. I can never tell if I actually went to the next one. We did next. We're going to delete that one. So over here, we're going to say delete. So I want to do this down arrow and say delete, and that comment is gone. Click the display for review and do no markup. So we're going to go back here and change it to no markup. And I think we're done with that. So let's just review real quick here. Let's do all markup. So we have the resolved, and then no other comments. Okay, I believe that is correct. So I'm going to end this movie and start the next one at step number 7. Thank you.